I was masturbating with teddy bear.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Promise World for the real gist. I dey here make I dey give una the latest gist and the real gist. Na but this matter when I bring come so no be small thing o. One lady dey confess say e dey sleep with his son because this video as I see am, I see this one only Meye no go fit hear am. Make I bring am come for my lovely people. Make dem follow, make we gather hear the video together. Make we gather hear where the lady for the talk. Abeg my people, una lis ten to where the girl for the talk how e dey sleep with his son.
Some time ago, and when I visit him, he was renting a 2-bedroom apartment. So when I visit him, sometimes he sleep in the other room, I sleep in the other bedroom. But one night I did something and he caught me, and that was the end of the relationship. Yeah, I was masturbating with a teddy bear.
You were masturbating with a teddy bear. How did you use the teddy bear to masturbate?
Oh, I don't know. It's a teddy bear.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
I was using it to insert mine.
And
I was so much in love with what I was doing that I didn't even hear when he was entering in my room.
So he came in and he saw the teddy bear.
He stood there and was looking at me. Oh, wow. So this is what you are doing. Whilst I'm here. You don't open up for me. Yeah. And after I came out of lesbianism from 2018, when my late dad died, I decided to have a change of mind. I decided to move on with a guy. I didn't want any man to, treat me anyhow. So when I meet you and within that 3 months, you are bothering me with sex, I'll know that, I'll call you, but for the first 3 months, I'm not expecting you to demand sex from me. No.
Okay. So you use.
So I gave myself up to 3 months. Within 3 months, if you don't demand sex from me, then it means you're a guy. Okay. But the one that will be using sex to pressure you,
you don't like it.
He's not being real.
So you left him, or he left you after?
He left me. He said,
teddy bear to masturbate.
I said I'm choosing the teddy bear over him, so I have to.
Right. But have you had it with anyone recently? What you mentioned is 2018. Like recently.
Recently, yes. Yeah, I had it with my own son.
You had sex with your own son?
Own son, yeah.
How did it happen?
Sometimes I post on my WhatsApp status that I feel like I miss my ex-girls. I feel like going back to any of them to, have sex with them. Say, mommy, I'll use me as a vibrator. I have the real vibrator. I say, hey, wow. And what is your real vibrator? Is that the natural vibrator? That is the penis. Right. And that was when I realized that my son is not that old, but he has a big.
He has a big dick.
Yeah.
So how long was that session?
It was just once, but he has been calling me and telling me that, mommy, I've missed you, so anytime you need me, I can come and make you happy.
You can come and make. Did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, I did enjoy it.
You did enjoy it.
Yeah.
You missed, that feeling.
But he's my son, so I can't continue.
You can't continue having sex with him. But was he able to do it to the point where?
He was able to satisfy me.
He was able to satisfy.
But he's my son, so.
But you can't continue having sex with him.
But anytime I feel like having sex, then I invite him.
He will have sex with you.
Yeah.
Is it something you?
But now that there's no man in my life, yeah, my son is there to make me happy. He's not my real son, my school son.
Okay.
Yeah.
As I first see this video, una don see the video as I first see this video, I say my wahala no dey finish for this life. Wahala no dey finish. One woman will just come outside, come dey talk the way e take dey sleep with a pikin. Wetin e don first do, the thing is surprising. But my people, anything wey be say una reason for wetin this girl talk, abeg more than me discuss am for the comment section. You are free to leave your comment for the comment section. We'll go to the next thing. Anyway, this one my people, this one e weak me. Wahala no dey finish for Cubana chief priest burial. The matter e can't go tie you Edochie for her. So e can't write come as they say some of the people they ask am how e dey make e money, make e show them the way. Make I read the heading give una. Some people are sending me message begging me to show them where they can do money ritual. Come on, na film I dey act, just like American action film where one man will defend a whole city of bad guys. Na storyline be that e no dey happen. It is not a crime to be a good actor. Make I no shop. Na wa for una o, you Edochie. Abeg my people, you Edochie na film e dey act. E no dey do blood money, na the room wey dey give am make e play na im e dey do. More no see say because say Obi Cubana dey do im mama burial, e dey spray millions. No mean say you Edochie no be here for the making money. Where you Edochie for dey make money na movie na for dey make money, and na the role wey dey give am make e dey play e dey act o. Una leave this man alone. E never see finish for there. Na im Kanayo come outside because he too still go Cubana mama burial. Na im come tell us say make we start to dey hustle. Start hustling so you won't be too poor for EFCC to arrest your neighbor and leave only you one o. Because this one soon e choke. E say make una start to dey hustle now, make EFCC no come arrest your neighbor, people wey dey around you, leave only you one alone. No be my mouth na for hear this one. Una watch video, una hear where e for dey talk am.
Nwoke libe ife choba akụ. Start the hustle. Make EFCC no call your compound, carry everybody. Leave you alone.
Na here na so now Cubana mama burial na it cause trouble so everywhere, na it dey scatter everywhere so. This one na our beautiful actress Onye Allet, 34 years, acquire luxury house. This girl dey 34 years and e acquire luxury house, and na actress na im she be. Make una look this video, and na the girl na im be this one una dey look so. This beautiful sexy girl wey acquire this luxury house so. Make una watch the beautiful house wey she get. Congratulations to her. When I say me wish and congratulations, because it's not easy to work. As they say, hard work pays. So we need to work hard to enjoy our labor, and we will live, and we will live to eat the fruit of our labor. He said. Anyway, we'll go to the next news. This one na for our beautiful Toto Dike. This guy, I like am for one teacher, because you know the shiny thing wey dey in mind, dey talk am come outside. He gonna come out say the best thing wey don happen to am, all his secret prayer, God don answer am for am. Say he dey always dey pray say he wan make his son get father wey be say he go fit stand up to am. May I read the update for una, make una still watch the video. She say, having a man stand as a father to my son has been one of my secret prayers. Toto Dike. Oh, you see love in the hair. You see the man handsome. When I watch the video, when I see where the man so we go carry his son for a graduation day. You see Anna, this life so everybody must get person to stand as his son, no matter how the person bad, how he wicked reach. See the Toto Dike say as he get money reach, you see the wish to get make his son get father wey be say go fit stamp to am for anywhere, and na his son na he follow am go graduation. And this Toto Dike husband, see lovely husband, he come still accompany her to her son graduation. And Toto Dike say she dey grateful for that. Anyway, we still dey for the Cubana chief priest burial. Na one man come outside, very shocking story. Man make shocking revelation about Obi Cubana source of wealth. Una watch video, una see how the man dey talk and how Obi Cubana take dey make him money. Because my mouth na for you. Because I see this video, I say this one no go fit hide am, I go bring am come for my people, make dem follow me watch am together.
Bros, see, don't watch this video very well now. In fact, make us start am again. Watch this video. This is the video, just to watch the man. You go to see Chief Priest, that is Cubana Chief Priest, the celebrity barman, and Obi himself. This meeting now, a meeting where they go do with Glenfiddich for Scotland. Now the meeting with this. All of them come down, go Scotland. Just to watch. Who be just to watch? You go see men. These are some of those boys where they spend dollars. They spend millions. This is Chief Priest. You see Chief Priest? That's Chief Priest himself. Then see the Don. That is the Don himself. Obi no where? Obi Cubana. This is the meeting they had in Scotland to discuss how they go market Glenfiddich brand for the entire Nigeria.
Now here we see the matter so now so it be nobody know where for make money now. Only one know how it is they make money. I am for end my video for today. Mona like this video, mona share, mona comment, and mona make sure say una subscribe for me. I beg you, mona dey support me. Stay with me for promise for the real gist. Peace out.